So it is Tuesday, August 7th, 2018, and I'm going to be cutting this sugar cane up and planting them in pots. I'm going to cut this one long stalk up into multiple pieces. As you can see here, the little sprouts grow here from the joints, right here and here, just like they did at the end here. But there's one problem. It's the roots are actually all right in this area here. So the roots are all here, and I don't want it to die in the case that I plant just the rooted area in a certain one and it grows and the rest of it just dies. But I'm willing to take a chance. I'm pretty sure it'll all grow. We'll see. So I'm going to keep watering it here. I'm going to stop recording for a second and start up again when I've got it out of the ground. Okay, so as you can see here, I got the sugar cane, this whole branch out of the ground, and I might have accidentally ripped off some of the roots, but I'm hoping that there'll actually be quite a few little stalks here that I'm going to hope will actually pop up just like these ones do. But in the case they don't, that root ball right there for sure is going to grow. It's already got one, but even if that one wasn't there, that root ball is just so strong. It's got all those roots just ready to just dig into the ground. Okay, I'm going to cut this up and I'm going to show you what it looks like right before I plant it. Alright, so I'm done cutting the sugar cane up in smaller pieces, and we're going to get ready to pot it. Some portions of it will be potted. Like actually this one can go in a pot. As you can see, it's got quite a lot of roots here already. This was the end portion I was showing you. It's going to root pretty easily. That one's going to survive for sure. Here are the other pieces that were at the end. Here. This one you can see it's already growing roots aside from the actual stalk itself. This one not necessarily, but I'm pretty sure it'll do just as fine as this one will, seeing as it's already pretty big. I'll go ahead and pot these up and put them in that growing tray, and I'll show you what it looks like after. This is the sugar cane, and hopefully they will pop up. Sugar cane doesn't necessarily need to be on the ground to grow. The roots will actually reach for nutrients in the soil. But I went ahead and put it halfway in there, save it the trouble of trying to get there on its own and keep it from drying out and dying. The other pieces are here. Here's those three pieces. There's this one. The bigger one here, I'm gonna have to transplant them in about a month. I want them to actually get pretty strong and create a root ball there, so it doesn't go through too much stress with the transplant. And here's that third one. So there you go. That's the propagation of the sugar cane. All right, thank you everybody for watching. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and ask in the comments. And as I always say, I'm not an expert, but I will find you an answer if I can.